Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the chuck from your drill. Most cordless drills use a 10mm or 13mm 3-jaw chuck with a screw thread fitting. Bigger chucks, like this one from my lathe, usually use a tapered shank instead. On these chucks you tap the taper into position and it stays in place just by friction. All reversible drills have a locking screw inside the chuck, like this. This one uses a regular No. 2 Phillips screw. The smaller drill uses one of those tricky security Torx screws. But because this is a family channel, I can only show you the Torx bit if it's blurred. This drill doesn't have a reverse feature, so it doesn't have a locking screw at all. The locking screw is reverse threaded, so you need to turn it clockwise to remove it. Now I'll use the Torx bit to remove the smaller drill's locking screw. To remove the chuck, you need the biggest hex key you have that will fit inside it. Start by clamping the hex key into the chuck. If your drill has a high-low speed range switch, set it to low. Now to unscrew the chuck, we need to remember righty-tighty and lefty-loosey. Take your hammer and give the hex key a firm hit. Then you can just unscrew the chuck from the drill. Now we can use the same procedure for the other two drills. On this drill, the bolt section's part of the chuck. I've only ever seen that on older drills like this one. So anyway, I needed to remove the chuck from the drill so I could use this drill jig. I bought this one for $1 at a trash and treasure market. I thought they were rare until I did a Google search for drill guide. I even found this one that you can make yourself using a 3D printer. Anyway, to use this one you need to screw your drill chuck onto this piece. Then you attach the drill body to the other end and fit it into the frame. You can use this depth stop to hold the drill up until you're ready to use it. If you've ever struggled to drill accurate perpendicular holes through timber, you're going to love one of these guides. Just sit the base flat on the workpiece, adjust the depth stop, line up the drill bit, then drill the hole. And just like that, you get a perfect alignment every time. These notches on the base can be used to hold round materials for drilling. I don't know about you, but I'd struggle to be that accurate if I was drilling through pipe freehand. If your round material won't fit inside the guide, it has this other pair of notches on the underside of this plate that will give you the same function. So there you have it. It's not as good as a drill press or a milling machine, but I've never been able to buy one of those for $1. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Tightwad Workshop is filmed in front of a live studio audience.